So I'm going to tell you a little bit about Stira loft ladder systems and why they are some of the safest and strongest on the market today. One of the reasons is because of the high density southern yellow pine timber that we use. You can see just over my shoulder here we have the stiles which are used, and that's in a southern yellow pine, and I'll show you one of the steps here. This is the pine that we use. It's got little or no knots in it, very heavy, and that's what makes the steps and the ladder sections so strong. You can see these all down here, the stiles, and we're working away, putting together ladder sections. This is one of the ladder sections going through the nailer. So these are rebaited, and they are glued, and they are nailed. So that makes them particularly strong. Once those ladder sections are put together, they are hung up here, and they get a lacquer finish. They go through that spraying booth and over to a section over here where the actual three-piece ladder section is put together. One of the key parts to putting these together is these hinges here. So this is a wraparound hinge that we have patented here and is unique to Stira. It grabs the actual timber on all sides and makes it particularly strong and stops any counter-flexing in the actual ladder section. The other end of it, we use a heavy-duty metal hinge, which is like this. All these parts are made in-house with Stira and make them extra strong. One of the unique things of Stira is our inner frame, and that's these up here. And these are what we put the ladder sections to. They're connected to our outer frame, which is here. Again, that's another substantial thick unit, makes it extra strong. So when we start putting all these together, that's the ladder sections, the inner frame and the outer frame. That's all done at our final assembly, which is here behind me. This is where we also put on the trapdoor, which has got the airtight seal and the insulation on it. And that finishes our ladder system, which you will see on the pallets here behind me. So that's really what makes our systems so strong on the market and feel so solid underfoot. We also finish all our systems with a architrave finish, so you can see we have them cut to size here, and that means that when you install the systems, or we install them for you, you have a nice finish as well. So hopefully that helped you to understand a little bit more as to why Stira loft ladder systems are some of the safest and strongest on the market today.